Hi, it's Lou with Energy Therapy, and I just want to make a video for kind of during this coronavirus epidemic so that people have some support around online therapy. So, the first thing I would say if you're considering online therapy is to really trust yourself. So, trust how you feel. And if you're finding it really hard and you want some therapy, that you get to see if it works for you. Um, yeah, so um, that would be my bottom line. Trust yourself, whatever happens in therapy, whatever happens with the different people that you meet, just trust your sense of whether it works for you. Um, and whether it's too much or too little or, kind of just your sense of it. And the other thing I would say is that make sure that when you decide to meet someone for online therapy, that you have really uninterrupted time, that there's no one going to come into the room, or if you don't have a time or a space that's just for you, that you might try your car. Um, that just so that or a park, um, yeah, just so you have a space that you can rely on is just for you, and you're not going to be interrupted. The other thing I would say is get some writing tools with you, whether you're meeting your therapist or you're meeting some new therapists to see whether one of them works for you, that you have some writing tools so that you can write things down that come up for you, stuff that you can work on in between sessions, or things about that particular therapist that you're not sure about, or it just gives you a way to reflect and a way to keep a record of your thoughts. I would also ask you to be critical. Therapists are just people. They're just people. And if you went into a room with 30 people, there might be like, you know, two, three, five at most that you'd feel close to, want to talk to, want to be friends with. So I'd say the same with therapists. Use your discernment. You have a sense of people. You have a sense of what works for you. You have a sense of what resonates with you. So just trust yourself with it and really notice how you feel. Notice how your body feels. I know it's different being in, remote therapy, but notice how your body feels in relationship to that person. And it also encourages you to, regardless of the therapist's intention and what they would like, that you get to choose whether you want to see somebody on screen or whether you would like to not see them, and just talk to them on the phone, or even do email therapy. Ask for what works for you, because everything works, and it works differently for different people, and you're the only one that knows what really works for you. Okay, that's all for this video anyway. See you on the next video. I hope it's helpful. Good luck. It's a hard time, and yeah, all the best. Okay.